Maybe you're interested in generating profit by selling a guide, a workbook, a digital product, or maybe even a real physical book. But right now, you have no audience, no reviews, and no system for turning your idea into sales. Well, Theresa Ragan started in an even harder position than that. She spent 19 years trying to get published. More than 100 publishers rejected her. She hired 2 different agents, still no book deal. Then she stopped waiting. Instead, she published the books herself. But simply putting a book on Amazon was not what changed everything. What I'm about to show you was. She gave free digital copies to the right people. Then she used some honest reviews from them and shared them everywhere in social media posts, in outreach to other reviewers. These reviews led to more opportunities, more visibility, and more sales. She eventually sold more than 300,000 books on Amazon, all starting by just giving it away in exchange for a review. But here's the part that matters to you. Theresa did most of this work manually, the old-fashioned way. She found the reviewers herself, she hand-emailed them herself, she posted the reviews herself, she followed up with them herself, and it worked. But it took a lot of time. So today, we're going to take the system that she built by hand and turn it into a machine, a simple machine that helps you create the offer, build the business around it, reach the right people, collect the proof like she did, follow up, and keep the process moving without you having to do all these tasks by hand one by one. We will let Buildy AI put all the pieces together and run the business for us. So instead of juggling websites, emails, pages, follow-up, and a pile of disconnected tools, instead, you can build one simple system that does almost all of that repeat work for you. And by the end of this video, you will understand the 5-step review flywheel. You're going to learn to give value to the right people, collect honest proof, turn that proof into attention, turn that attention into sales, and then let the system repeat itself. And I will also show you a mistake that can make giving your product away completely useless. Because free does not create sales by itself. The machine you build around it is what does the work. Quick disclaimer, while we're going to use AI to make things go faster, simpler, and easier than we've ever been able to do before, that does not mean get rich quick. We don't do that here. But at the end of the day, it is a business, and business fundamentals and hard work and persistence come into play. With that said, let's dive in. All right, so we're going to build the entire machine while you watch. So we're going to use Buildy AI. We're simply going to turn on voice mode, and we're going to talk to him, just having a back and forth natural conversation. We're going to create a course is what we're going to do for today. And for today's topic, I'm going to make a business that helps entrepreneurs with attention problems, right? I think that's a lot of us who are entrepreneurs, always chasing the next shiny object, trouble staying organized. I think this is a common thing in the entrepreneurial community. So I'm going to make a course covering this, and we're going to have that be the core of our business. We're going to give that away to reviewers in exchange for reviews. Then we're going to use social media to spread those reviews far and wide. And we're going to use it to get more reviews. And so it becomes a self-feeding flywheel. As the reviews come in, they generate more traffic, which generates more reviews, which generates more traffic. And then after you start getting momentum, you turn on the paid access and your business goes off like a rocket. So let's start. Here we go.
Hey there, Bill. I'm Buildy. I can help you build a website, run market research, set up marketing campaigns, and more. What are you working on?
Yeah, hey, Buildy, I have a new business I want to launch. I want to make a course targeting entrepreneurs who have problems with attention and organization, and it's all about how to stay focused, stay organized, and get results. But I need your help. I want to build a homepage that kind of sells the idea of signing up for this course, write all of that up, and then we're going to send them into a process where they have to pay to get access. But I want a coupon system where if somebody puts a coupon code in, it gives them free access to the course. And then after all that's done, we'll talk about doing social media and some other things so that you can help me get traffic.
That's a solid idea, and a course like this could really resonate. I'll get the team to work on building a homepage that addresses those pain points and aspirations and includes a secure member area with a coupon system for free access. They'll also brainstorm some course names for you.
Yeah, I got a question for you. So can we make it so that every person who buys a course or who puts in a free coupon, they both go on an email newsletter system where I can send them emails and follow up with them? And I'd like to make sure I tag them so I know if they use the free coupon or whether they paid.
The team came back with a couple of quick questions before they go further. First, they're proposing the name Built for Momentum, strong, positive framing that's about building something great rather than fixing a problem, which I think fits really well. They also need 2 quick decisions from you. 1, for the free coupon, do you want one reusable code that anyone can use like a launch promo, or unique one-time codes for each person? And 2, do you want them to go ahead and draft a 4-module course outline using their best judgment, or do you have a specific structure in mind?
I like the name, go with that. Let's make a simple coupon code. Let's just make it Review Me, just all together, one word, Review Me. And then as far as the course goes, I'll leave that up to you guys to kind of outline it and use your best judgment to just kind of put placeholder content in there, and we'll come back and make it better later.
The team is now building out the full site, the Built for Momentum homepage, the member area, the Review Me coupon, the 4-module course outline with placeholder content, and the email tagging system for paid versus free members. That's a solid foundation for launching. Bill, it's done. The team has built out the full Built for Momentum site, the $27 sales homepage, the protected member area, the 4-module course preview, and the Review Me coupon flow. Anyone who redeems that coupon gets automatically added to your contacts list tagged as a free member, so you'll always know who's who.
Yeah, looking at it now, it looks good. I can see the 4 modules in the course. So fantastic. So at this point, I just want to recap to understand. So when someone either buys or gets the course for free, they end up on my mailing list so I can keep sending them emails. And what I would like to do next is create a review page. On the course page, have a big button, and also have a big button on the main homepage that says review the course, and then leads them to a page where people can fill out reviews and rate and give some text feedback on the course. And then I want it so that it saves the review results.
Anyone who enrolls, whether paid or free via Review Me, gets added to your contacts list with a tag indicating how they got in, so you can email them going forward. On the review page, I've got a clear picture of what you need. I'll send the team to build a dedicated review page where visitors can leave a star rating and written feedback, and set up a place in the dashboard where you can log in and read all submitted reviews. Once you start collecting reviews, you could turn the best ones into social media posts pretty easily. A strong testimonial with a nice visual can do a lot of work on Instagram or LinkedIn.
Oh, you're thinking just like me. That's what's coming next.
We're on the same page. Once the reviews start rolling in, we can pull the best ones and turn them into content across whatever channels make sense for your audience.
So you can actually make the social media posts, and then once I connect them to you, I can post directly to like Facebook and Instagram and all of that?
Exactly. I can create the posts for you. Images, carousels, even short AI videos. Once your social accounts are connected, you just approve and publish right from there.
So now at this point, we have everything we need. Our course is set up. Our whole system is set up where people can pay us for access to the course. They can put in a coupon code to get free access, which we're going to give out for free to get reviews. Then we now have a review infrastructure where people can leave reviews. You then turn those into social media posts that you share everywhere to get traffic and to get people to buy your course. So let's take a look. I'll show you what Buildy has created, and then I'll show you what's next so we can start actually getting sales of our new course.
Welcome back, Bill. The site is looking great. The course is live, the review page is set up, and visitors can submit star ratings and written feedback directly from the sales page or the member area.
Yeah, so I'm going to leave a review right now. How do we turn it into a social media post?
For format, we could do a single image post with a quote pulled from the review, or on Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Pinterest, we could do a carousel.
Let's do a 1-image post targeting Facebook, and let's take the 5 stars, the text of the review, and let's make a cool social media post.
I'm sending the team to pull the review from the database and build a single image Facebook post around it. 5 stars, the review text, and a design that makes it pop. Have you thought about where you want to drive people from the post, like back to the sales page?
Yeah, I agree. We'll link to the homepage, which then sells the course. That's the exact idea.
That's the classic move. Social proof leads straight to the sales page and does the selling from there. Have you thought about doing a series of these as more reviews come in? Even 2 or 3 testimonial posts over a few weeks can build a lot of trust.
Yeah, we'll do a lot more of these. That's a great idea.
I'm now launched and getting customers. That's a great review. Really punchy and results focused. The team is designing a branded image around that review. 5 stars front and center, the quote styled to pop, all matching the built for momentum look. Have you thought about running it as a meta ad to get it in front of a cold audience?
Yeah, I think we might do that too. That's a good idea.
The review system is solid, and that 5-star Facebook post draft is ready to go.
Yeah, I like what you've done here. So the content you put in the post is great. The image is great. You could actually create a whole email marketing sequence for all of the buyers and the free reviewers to promote my other products and services. Is that right?
I can build out a multi-step email sequence. So for example, one that goes to course buyers and another that goes to people who submitted reviews, each with its own messaging, timing, and AI personalization. You'd point them toward whatever other products or services you want to promote, and the emails go out automatically as people move through the sequence. Do you have a custom domain set up already, or would that be a first step?
Yeah, can you help me get a domain and publish this whole thing?
Absolutely. I can have the team research and suggest available domain options that fit the Built for Momentum brand.
And so now at this point, Buildy's going to help me get my domain name, register it, set up my website, and launch it to the web. So now I can do custom email marketing, which he handles, or my course reviews. I can promote those course reviews to social media, which then get me more visitors, which get me more reviews, and it becomes a self-feeding flywheel. More customers equal more reviews. I share those on social media, and they go back, and the thing drives itself. And if I want to amplify it, you heard Buildy say he can help me turn those posts into ads that we can run on Meta, on X, on Instagram, and that will continue to bring in more and more and more customers. And that's the system that catapulted her to 300,000 book sales. And now you have the same thing in the palm of your hand, and Buildy will automate much of the hard work. And with that, that wraps up today's training. What kind of book would you publish, or what niche might you go into? Do you have a course, maybe a digital product? It could be any kind of information that you want to sell through a website. You can use this strategy of getting reviews, using those reviews to then get more traffic, which then gets you more reviews, and the whole thing feeds itself. So let me know what niche you're in and what you would like to build one of these for. And on that note, I do want to ask you to kindly hit that thumbs up button if you've watched this long. I hope you've gotten some value from this video. By the way, we're on YouTube if you're not already there. And we have a channel where we release training every single week just like this. Tap that subscribe button over on YouTube, or if you're there now, you'll see it somewhere down below. And with that, we shall see you on the next session. Bye for now.